The idea was built out of the desire to create a platform for students to engage with artisans who practice rare trade skills, with a real focus on providing a really fun, inclusive atmosphere from students from a range of arts disciplines to get together, to learn together, and particularly to practice their hand skills. And also it gives a chance for everyone to get together, because we're often so disparate across the university, so it was a really great opportunity for that. We had lead lighters in on the first day, so Stan, Liz and Deb. We had a bookbinder in, so Phil Ridgway from the Melbourne School of Bookbinding. We have Ronnie Sexton coming in for wood carving. She has her own private practice, and she also does classes at the Melbourne Guild of Fine Woodworking. And we also have Bruce Jackson coming in to do some sign writing and some gilding.
We are losing tradespeople and craftspeople and artisans, and that those skills are not being replaced. That's what brought us to our involvement with the Rare Trades Summer School. 55% of the fellowships that we've offered have been in the area of rare and heritage trades. And the reason that we focus on that is because we know that there is a need. We have extraordinary craftspeople and artisans in Australia who are generally of an older age, and the opportunities for them to pass on their skills and knowledge and to mentor young people are very limited.
The Rare Trade Summer School really had two major aims in terms of the project outcomes: to provide a platform for the artists to engage with students who are really eager to learn. The second outcome for the project was just to provide an environment for students to come together in a really inclusive, fun, quite a relaxed environment, learn from each other, learn from the artists outside of academia. I think we achieved that, which is really wonderful.